Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing amazing this morning. I'm sitting here actually just going through a lot of my mail that I've gotten over the last week. And got so excited. I wanted to come in and show you guys real quick. So I'm not dressed because I was getting ready to go jump in the shower. But I always get stuff in the mail to kind of do like a review on. So I got this, and it came from KBling Unlimited out of California, and it was heavy, so I was super excited. It came in a black pouch, and it was, like I said, it was heavy, so I'm like, what is this? And y'all know how I feel about bling, and this teal has been my color lately. All right, so it came packaged, and woo, y'all, I see some bling, y'all see some bling. All right, so this is the bracelet I wanted to show you guys. Let me take this off. I can't wait. So I actually had something planned out. Y'all know I plan everything. I plan out my wardrobe, but look at how pretty this is. It's a cuff. It's a cuff. And what I had planned to wear today, I'm not, because I want to wear one of these pieces. So this is so cute. And it fits, and actually it looks like you can kind of like squeeze it a little bit if your arms are not, because I might have to squeeze it because it's a tad bit big, but that's the fact that you can squeeze it for size is nice. But this is beautiful. Look at the detail on that. So I'm excited about that. I can't wait to wear that. But then I turned around and opened up this. So I'm like, do I get dressed today? Because today I have to just go do a couple of quotes for styling houses. So I was just gonna put on tennis shoes. But this makes me want to actually get dressed. Look at this beautiful piece. So it's all kind of bling and just silver, and it's a choker. So let me see how. And it comes with earrings. So I'm not really heavy into earrings, these type of earrings I usually wear, especially when I'm working the smaller earrings. But I would definitely wear these two pieces together. Like I said, you can see it's kind of like a choker. Look at how beautiful that is. So I'm going to put her information in below so that you can put it on her stuff. I know she goes live often in California. I'm in Pennsylvania. So when she said, oh, I'm sending you something, I didn't expect this to be this. Look at this, y'all. What am I going to throw this on with today? And I still might wear it even with tennis shoes. This is so cute. What y'all think? Let me know what you think. I'm going to actually hop off of here. I'm going to jump in the shower and I'm going to put it on with what I already had plans on wearing today, because this will be a cute addition. I never feel like, even when you wear tennis shoes, that you can be dressed down at all. So I still might put this on, even though what I had pulled out today was like I don't have it in here, but I bought a cute little sweater dress from Ross yesterday, and it was only like $8.99. So I was gonna wear that with my silver sneakers. So I think I might still go ahead and put this on just so that I can add to my style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump off and go get done up and everything, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all it put together, dressed down, and then I'll have to style it one day dressed up. But today is dressed down. It's Saturday, and I got a lot of running around to do. Got to hit Home Depot, but I'll be back. All right, so I decided to go ahead and put these on. I am super, super matchy today. I decided to put the earrings on with the necklace, but this is almost like, I'm telling y'all now, this is almost gonna be like an everyday necklace for me. No, not with the earrings, but definitely because you can loosen this and make it tighter. And I wear a lot of silver, so this is probably going to be definitely my go-to. So I'm gonna take one more picture so you guys can see how crazy matchy I am today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe.